Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on a large emoji on your account on Telegram, easy and quick. First click on digital nice, now click settings, now click shot settings, and now click stickers and emoji, and here you will find it, large emoji. Click on it like this and it will be turned on. And that's it for today. That's how to turn on a large emoji on your account on Telegram, easy and quick. And that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.